In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Paperform with ActiveCampaign, a process that can streamline your workflow and help manage your contacts more efficiently. Let's dive right in and make this integration really simple and straightforward for you. First, you'll want to head over to Zapier's website at zapier.com. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. It's free to start with. If you're a returning user, simply log in with your credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create a news app. You'll usually find this prominently displayed, but if you're having trouble, there's a search or help feature that can guide you. Next, we're going to set up the Trigger app. The Trigger app is essentially the app where the action begins, in this case, Paperform. Once you've selected Paperform as your trigger, you'll want to choose New Form Submission to specify that the trigger occurs every time someone submits a form. Zapier will then prompt you to connect your Paperform account. Don't worry, this is a secure process. You'll need to provide the credentials for your Paperform account. Once you've done that, choose the specific form you want to integrate. If you have multiple forms, make sure to select the correct one to avoid any mishaps down the line. After setting up the trigger, it's time to configure the action app, which in this tutorial is ActiveCampaign. Choose ActiveCampaign and then select the action Create/Update Contact. This action means that every submission from your chosen Paperform will either create a new contact in ActiveCampaign or update an existing one. Here, like before, you'll need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to Zapier. This involves entering your API key and the URL of your ActiveCampaign account. You can usually find these details in the settings section of ActiveCampaign. Just follow their instructions if you need help locating them. With both your trigger and action apps ready, the next step is to map the form fields from Paperform to ActiveCampaign fields. This step is crucial because it ensures that when someone fills out your form, their name, email, and any other pertinent information flow into the correct fields within ActiveCampaign. This mapping process is typically straightforward, but take your time to review each field carefully. Finally, it's time to test your Zap. Zapier provides a testing environment where you can send sample data through to ensure everything is functioning as expected. If the test succeeds, you're nearly done. The last thing to do is to click Publish Zap. By publishing it, you activate the integration, allowing data to flow seamlessly between your Paperform and ActiveCampaign. And there you have it. Your Paperform is now integrated with ActiveCampaign, ready to efficiently manage your contacts without you lifting a finger. Remember, automations like these save time and reduce errors, making your business processes much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Happy integrating!